Launching the future, SpaceX's Starship set to soar in 2024. In the heart of Texas, a behemoth of steel and technology is being readied for an unprecedented journey. Meet SpaceX's Starship, mankind's newest leap forward in space exploration, poised to launch in early 2024. With its ambitious design, Starship reshapes the boundaries of what we thought possible, promising to revolutionize the space industry. This isn't just a mission to the stars. It's a potential lifeline for Earth, opening doors for colonization and resource discovery. Imagine a future where interplanetary travel is as commonplace as a flight to New York. Starship brings that future closer than ever. Countless hours of engineering brilliance and relentless determination are propelling us towards a new era. Prepare for liftoff. The future is now, and it begins with SpaceX's Starship in 2024.